In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open and use 3 major Australian supermarket career websites to create applicant profiles and search for jobs. We're going to do this in a simple, organized way using Google Chrome, so you can move between each employer's careers page without losing your place. This is especially helpful if you want to compare opportunities and apply more efficiently. Start by opening your Chrome browser. Once Chrome is open, create 3 separate tabs. Keeping each company in its own tab makes the process much easier to manage, especially when you're creating accounts and reviewing job listings side by side. In the first tab, go to careers.coles.com.au. In the second tab, visit careers.aldi.com.au. In the third tab, open wowcareers.com.au. Give each page a moment to fully load so you can see the main careers homepage and any sign-in or job search options available. Next, create an applicant profile on each individual career portal. You'll usually find a button such as Create Profile, Register, Sign Up, or Join Now. Follow the prompts on each website and enter your details carefully. As you complete each profile, make sure your information is accurate and consistent across all 3 portals. This can save time later when you begin applying for positions. It also helps employers review a clear and professional application. If a site asks you to verify your account through email, complete that step before moving on so your profile is fully activated. Take your time during this part. Career portals often allow you to upload a resume, add work history, and include your availability or preferred location. Completing as much of your profile as possible can improve your readiness when you find a suitable job opening. Once all 3 applicant profiles are set up, begin searching for active roles across each platform. Focus on retail, warehouse, or administrative positions depending on your interests and experience. Use the search bar, category filters, and location filters on each site to narrow down the results. This makes it easier to find jobs that match what you're looking for without having to scroll through unrelated listings. As you review openings, pay attention to job titles, store or facility locations, and whether the role is currently active. If you're comparing opportunities across all 3 websites, keeping the tabs open will help you switch back and forth quickly and stay organized. By the end of this process, you'll have 3 applicant profiles ready to go and a clear view of current retail, warehouse, and administrative roles across these major employers.